Hello, we are turning to the question number 3 of AISL May 2025 paper 1 time zone 1 exam paper. So question number 3, it's related to the simultaneous equations, and let's see first how it looks like. Let's make a short overview. So we have a cupcakes, given the cupcakes in some boxes, then we have equation, and we have a question for sure. As usual, write down the equation in terms of x, y, and z. So we have to have somehow obtain our equations from the words. Okay, so we have to convert our question word problem to the mathematical language. So the number of cupcakes, so this is a condition of the equation, number of cupcakes during the week. So it's the keyword here is number of cupcakes. Here the money collected, so this is about the money collected. Okay, let's have a read first. So a bakery sells boxes of cupcakes at the following prices. The small box containing one cupcake costs $4.5. Yeah, let me draw. It's one box with one cupcake. Yeah, one cupcake. So, and the cost is $4.5. Now the next medium boxes. Let it make it a bit bigger. Medium boxes contain six cupcakes, and the total amount of money for these cupcakes is $23.5. And the big box, 44.75. It's a cost, and the number of cupcakes inside is 12. Okay, so actually, the number of cupcakes. You see, the x is number of cupcakes in the small box, y is the number of cupcakes on the medium box, and so on. And it is clear, I hope, that we should find the number of the boxes of each case. So here, first type of the boxes. So we have to find the number of boxes. So it's actually x, right? X, and the same way, the number of boxes with the medium size is y, and here is z. Yeah, if I will construct, so let me draw carefully, so and so on, and we have box here. So it is z, number of cupcakes here is z. Okay, so now let's construct. So first, question A1, it says number of cupcakes during the week sold, number of cupcakes. So it says that in the small box inside we can put only one cupcake, so 1x plus 6 cupcakes in each box, and number of boxes is y, and plus 12 cupcakes in the box z, so the z values of the number of the boxes. And it says that we have to be careful. So the particular week bakery sold 88 boxes and 383 cupcakes. So number of cupcakes here is 383. Okay, so done. So this is the answer for A1. So for A1 we can simply write that it is x plus 6y plus 12z is equal to 383. Okay, done. Now the money collected from sales of cupcakes for this week. Now we are talking about the money. So if we will think in terms of the boxes, one box is the smallest one, costs this much, that much, medium, and the large one, that one. Okay, so it means that let's construct the equation for the money collected from the sales of cupcakes. So 4.5, let me write somewhere here, 4.5x plus 23.5y plus 44.75z is equal to 1486. So this is our third equation. And finally we will have second equation. So total we have three equations. To solve this problem we have to have three equations because we have three unknowns. Okay, and it is about the part B. So it says, hence use your graphic display calculator to determine the number of medium boxes that we solved during the week. So medium boxes is y. Yeah, we have to find y. Okay, so now if you will collect everything in the one place, let's do it this way. X plus yz is equal to 88. Now let's copy the second equation, and you will see that we have system of linear equations that could be solved in your calculator. And the last one, x plus 6y plus 12z is equal to 383. So we have system of equations, and using your calculator you can find the solution of this system of equations. How to do it? I hope you know how to do it. In TI Inspire you will go to main menu with the calculation button, and press enter. Then you will choose algebra, then you go to system of equations. Then you will type all the equations and press enter, and you will get the following answers. So x will be equal to 53, y will be equal to 15, and z is equal to 20. It's okay if you have another calculator. In any calculator you will have an option how to solve this system of equations, so don't worry. Okay, so this was question number 3 about the system of equations. It's required time to combine all equations together. Sometimes it's a bit confusing, but generally I hope it is clear. So please subscribe, press like, and see you in the next video about question number 4.